Hey everyone, okay, so I did this opening already. I did a video, but I didn't like the video, so I'm going to do it again. So I already opened it and I already explained everything, but I'm going to do it again. So this is my sew sampler for the month of March. I'm like, what month is it? So it's called Spring Memories, March 2024. And so let's go with this right here. So we got this. This is a... So, let me tell you what it is. I'll tell you. It is a foundation piecing water pen and tweezers. So it says foundation piecing just got easier with the help of this water pen and tweezer set by Carolina Moore of Always Expect More. Fill the water pen's refillable reservoir with water, then run the brush tip along your seam lines. The water loosens the paper fibers to easily tear off your papers. The pointed tweezers are perfect for pulling papers at seam intersections and can also be used as stilettos to boot. $12.74 is the value of this. So that is one thing. The other thing we got was this charm, which I like I like charms. So that was cool. It's a little bit on the plain side, but not too bad. Its value is $4.98. So $4.98. So it says quilter. Okay, and then we have the pressed flowers pattern, and this is a $9.96 value. Yeah, $9.96, and this is the finishing. So block 12 and finishing pattern. So this is $9.96 together. So that is that. And then let's see, I'm going to scoot you back out a little bit. And this is the pattern for this month called Spring Flags. So sampler March. It's very unique, very cool. I will tell you, and this I think it's probably $9.98 also. It is, yeah, $9.98. And then this, I love triangle paper. So this one is a 3-inch finished half square triangle paper. And so you get, I think 600 of them. Pretty cool, huh? And that is a $12.48 value. And last but not least is the fabric. And the fabric is Vintage by Sweetwater. And it is valued at $27.98. I believe it is, yeah, 12 fat 8s is what you get. Fat 8s to make this. But I wouldn't use that for that. So I like this month's way better than last month's. Way better than last month's. So I'm going to do one more month. And if I like that one, then I will keep going. As long as I like the box, I will keep going. So, but I usually give things 2 tries. And so the first one I did not like. Second one, this one, I like. So I'm going to keep going, and we'll see what next month brings us. So, but this fabric collection is really cool. I love it. So I love the fat 8s. Alright guys, we'll see y'all next month. Bye.